Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Burano color changing and dark glowing 2-in-1 polygel kit. This kit is on Amazon in the Burano store. You can get it for $39.99, and I believe you can also save 10% with the coupons. Free delivery. You can get it super fast. Lots of goodies. I love their packaging, you guys. Let me back up a little so you can see this. I really love the way they package everything. Ooh, and they sent their 3-in-1 base coat. You guys got to try that if you have not tried it. It's awesome. Alright, so we have information cards, you have your instruction manual, you have these clear nail forms, paper forms, you get some dual tips, we've got the dual forms, 12 sizes that are, they look like this. And then they also have the nail tips in 10 sizes, and these nail tips honestly to me look like a dual form because they have that cloudiness to them, but they don't have tabs, so I'm guessing they're just nail tips, but they really look like dual forms. I know I showed these in another video. And then of course I also got another one of these, and then we have the 3-in-1 base coat. It's got a base coat, a nail glue, and a slip solution. Guys, this stuff is awesome. I absolutely love it. I do have one, but I have used it a lot. And then, of course, you get their top coat. A 100-180 grit Burano file. You get the brush and spatula. And you get 7 15-gram polygel tubes, and they do have the numbers and the colors on the top. Alright, so I have them all swatched. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And these are the polygels when they are cold. So let's go ahead and pop them into the light and see what we get when they're hot. Alright, here we go. And they also glow in the dark. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what they look like when they're glowing. Look how beautiful. I am going to be using my Enail Couture Extreme Tapered Coffin nails. And I've already sized them to fit my Glamour Liz hand. All links for everything I use in the video will be down below. I know a lot of people asked me recently where I got this stand. The link is, I will actually put it in my YouTube defaults. That way every time I upload it will be in that link, because a lot of people have asked me about this little stand. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and buff the surface shine off of her nail plates. So I'm going to go in with my dehydrator and primer by Enail Couture, and we're going to dehydrate and prime the nails. So your dehydrator is going to act as like your isopropyl alcohol and your acetone. It's going to dehydrate those nails. And then we're going to go in with the primer, bonder, and prime our nails. From cuticle to free edge. Just try not to get it on your skin. Now I went ahead and put the 3-in-1 base gel in here in their dampen dish they sent. So I do have some in there already. Alright, I'm going to go ahead really quickly and prep my tips. You guys know you can etch the tips with an e-file, or you can etch them with primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and etch it with the primer, and then I'll be right back. Alright, after the nails are etched, I'm going to go in with the 3-in-1 base gel, and we're going to put a layer of that on the nails. Now the base gel is very thick, so you don't need a whole lot of it. You just scrub it into the nail plate. Alright, once your base coat is laid, go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Alright guys, so summer is almost over, and I really wanted to use these neon clouds. So I think we're going to use the neon clouds as our decoration at the end of the video, and I will leave a link for these. I found them on AliExpress. Alright guys, I have decided to use colors. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to use colors 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so after your base gel has cured, you guys know the drill. Let's go ahead and put the polygel inside the tips. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through me putting the polygel in the nail. I'm not going to add any glitter or anything to these this time because we are decorating the top. So here we go. Sit back and enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and pop it into the light for the full cure. I'm going to go ahead and file, shape, and buff them. We're going to come back and put on our cloud stickers. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I went ahead, buffed, and filed these. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the stickers. So I've got blue, purple, pink, and yellow, the same colors as the nails. And we're just going to, like, put every color on all the nails. You'll see what I'm saying. Like, I'm not going to do, like, blue on blue and purple on purple. I'm going to just mix it all around and add some music, and then we're going to top coat. So, let's go ahead and have some fun. And just so you know, these are little stickers, so you just peel them and place them. And then, of course, top coat. So here we go. Alright, ladies, I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the nails with the stickers because it does take a little bit of time. I do want to say I love the stickers. They are so thin and they lay very nice and flat. Like, they're really, really thin, so you will have no problems with these stickers. I went ahead and applied all the stickers, as you saw. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Burano No Wipe top coat and top coat them. I'm going to go ahead and pop those into the light. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is the final look. And I am going to go ahead and shut the lights off so you can see them glow. Alright guys, there are the nails. Look at that. Look how cool. I love how not only they glow in the dark, but they change colors too. How fantastic. Burano, you have done it once again. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. You guys saw when they were already warm. You saw when they were cold. The beautiful colors. So let's go ahead and turn on the lights again. So here we go. So definitely go take advantage. Get you a kit like this today. These, I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are the 15 grams. I'm sure I did. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of these. This is probably going to be my last summer design because fall is approaching. So we're going to start doing some fall manicures. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.